Everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 12-piece Rifleman's kit in digital camo. This is, of course, military surplus. This is something I got from RTG Parts. They recently had these on their website for $59.99. I believe they still have them. Of course, it is surplus. What you're going to find inside of here, I'll try to insert a picture in the top left so you can kind of see a breakdown of this. It's going to be a 3-day assault pack. 2 triple mag pouches for the M4, 3 M4/M16 double magazine pouches, 1 shovel cover, 1 canteen cover, 1 quart canteen cover, 1 hydration pack, doesn't have the bladder, 1 waist pack, and 1 FLC vest with no attachments. So without further ado, we're going to dive off into this. We're going to see what kind of condition you guys can expect. I did order 2 of these. I ordered actually 1 for me and 1 for a friend, just because it's kind of nice to have stuff like that. You decide to go camping or just what have you. It's just nice to have something like that. They taped it up very well. As you can see, this box weighs 22 pounds, so they really crammed it in here. So you guys are going to see what I see. And hopefully it's going to be pretty slick. It looks like they might have actually packed it all inside of the pack, which that's pretty slick. I mean, I'll take it. That's cool. Let's see if I can get it out of here without completely knocking over my camera setup. Wow, this is cool. So they shoved it all in the 3-day pack. So let me pull this off the table, hopefully without dragging my entire setup along with it. Kind of check these out, see the condition. Of course, these are surplus, so you know you can reasonably expect there's probably going to be some writing on them somewhere. This one obviously looks like it was issued at one point. Don't know who had it, but you know, let's just flip it over, check out the straps. You know, I don't see any issue here. Buckles are in good shape. Straps are in good shape. And maybe a little bit of discoloration, but I mean, really, who cares? It's Milcert. A little bit of discoloration down here. I'm not surprised about that, to be honest. That's kind of interesting. Wish I knew the combo for that. That'd be kind of neat to know that. So I guess the number of combinations there would be 9, or 9 times 9 times 9. I don't know. I'm not even going to try to figure that one out. Probably end up having to cut that off with a set of bolt cutters. Let's check out the zippers. Absolutely no issues there. Nothing of any extravagance crammed down in here. Sans maybe some candy. Old wrapper. Pockets look good. So let's unbuckle this so that we can kind of hopefully get a better look at this. Of course, there are some buckles here on the bottom side. Appear to be in good shape. But let's get this pack open and see about the rest of the items that are contained inside. And there's a lot in here. It does have the surplus stink, that's for sure. First you get some straps down in here. Just trying to look and see what else is actually down in here. I think we're good. There's a sleeve down in there. But overall the bag looks great. I mean, no complaints there. Move that to the side. Here is our shovel cover, or e-tool cover, whatever you want to call it. A lot of this stuff actually looks like it was never used. This is that hydration pouch. You can use Camelback or similar. Buckles all appear to be good. I mean, this looks like it had actually never been used. Looks really nice, actually. Let's see. This is that waste pack. It is lined for, I guess, waterproofing or water resistance. I don't see any issues here whatsoever. That looks good. Here's our triple mag pouch. Looks like it has never been used. Pretty slick. Here's our other triple mag pouch. Once again, if it was used, it was not used hardly any. I like it. Okay, so then we should have a couple of dual mag pouches. Once again, waterproof coating there. This one looks a little dirtier, but if they were used, I dare say I don't think they were used much. You know, I guess some, looks like some stuff when I was out in the field, you know, a little dirty. Some leaves here and there, not a big deal. There's a third one. That's interesting. 3, okay, yeah, that's right. I think that's right. 3 dual mag pouches, 2 triple mag pouches. Let's move that to the side. This looks like the canteen pouch. Yep, it's canteen pouch. Once again, appears to be in good shape. No issues there. Looks good. And that's odd. There's another canteen pouch. This is really strange. So here's that load-bearing vest. Zipper's intact. Straps look good. Buckles look fine. So no issues there. Looks nice. Alright, so let's move this one to the side. I'm really confused here because it looks like we've got some extras past what was actually called out. So here's the second bag. Just take a quick look at it. I'll try to go a little faster. I know I eat up a lot of time. Looks good. Kind of dirty down in there. But what do you expect from surplus? I mean, honestly, all the side buckles look good. Unbuckling those now. Let's flip it over. Let's check the straps. Straps look good. Buckles a little bit beat up, but it's not the end of the earth, not the end of the world. Waist strap looks good. No complaints there. This one actually doesn't have a lock on the top, which is kind of funny. Let's see what's in. Whoa! Oh, this is interesting. This one looks like it was never taken out of the package. Impressive. At least parts of it. Waist pack. Still sealed. I'm not going to take that out. Let's get the rest of this stuff out of here. Well, looks like I'm dropping everything. It's got a nice plastic piece there. Of course, the foam insert, but the inside of the bag looks fine. No complaints there. So let's set that one. Making sure I'm not missing anything here. Let's set this one to the side. Let's check out this load-bearing vest. Now this load-bearing vest looks a little like it might be in a little bit rougher shape. Definitely stinks more. That's for sure. Oh yeah, there's the buckles inside of there. Crammed back in there. You can tell it's a little dirtier, but perfectly usable. Almost knocked over a canteen on my table, but it looks fine. I mean, no complaints. Let's check out our dual mag pouches. Wow, this one's been out in the field. This one's been a little used and abused there, as you can tell. Looks like salt water. Possibly, maybe, or some mildew, I'm not sure. I'm 100% certain on that. Probably could use a good washing, honestly. Got another dual mag pouch. Same scenario. Some of the nasties in there. Probably just needs a good washing, honestly. Canteen pouch. Kind of the same song and dance. Like maybe it got wet. But it still looks like it's perfectly usable. I don't know why it's wet. Triple mag pouch. Looks like it was never used. Another triple mag pouch. Once again, good shape. E-tool cover. Not really concerned about it, but looks good. Another canteen pouch. And this, okay, so this hydration pack or carrier, whatever you want to call it, it's seen its better days, but would still work perfectly fine. Rings still look good. It's just kind of been used, but it is surplus. But it looks pretty good. So for 60 bucks, 2 sets. Let me reference something off camera. I know I wasn't supposed to get 2 of the canteen pouches. That's kind of an oddity. No, I was supposed to get 2 of them. And 3 of the double magazine pouches. Interesting. I guess I've looked at that incorrectly. So there you have it, guys. RTG Parts still has these. If you want to pick one up, whether you want to do, you know, some camping, some hiking, just have you know, just a loadout pack, whatever you want to call it. They still have them. $59.99. My personal opinion, not a bad deal. I do think some of this MOLLE equipment's going to need some washing. Just because I can't tell if that's mildew or if it's salt water. I'm not going to taste it and find out. But anyway, decent deal, I think, for the price. Because it's all usable. It's just some of it may be a little bit more well worn than the others. But doesn't mean, like I said, does not mean it's not usable. You know, like this hydration carrier. Looks a little worn, but would still work perfectly fine any day of the week. So, just wanted to show this to you guys in case you wanted to pick one up for yourselves. Once again, got these from RTG Parts. No, I'm not sponsored by RTG Parts, nor did I get a kickback or anything like that for any of this stuff. I just found a deal, wanted to tell you guys about it, want to show you what you could expect. So, as always, thank you guys. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for your likes, your shares, your comments. It greatly helps out. And there's going to be plenty more content on the way. I just got to find the time to do it. Of course, you guys know that's my main struggle. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, you guys have a great day.